As a former U.S. Air Force pilot, I have some exciting news to pass along to you. Now, you may have heard this already because just a few days back, President Trump and Pete Hegseth, as Secretary of Defense, and a bunch of Air Force brass announced a brand new fighter that is going to be introduced into the Air Force inventory. And I couldn't be happier. What is it? Well, it's been under work for the last 5 years. They've been working on this thing and testing this thing at a secret place. Well, Area 51, call it what you will. But the Boeing company won the rights to build this new aircraft, and they've been working on this for a while, folks. A new fighter aircraft that is different and better than anything else currently flying. And they just announced it. The new F-47. Take a look at that. The F-47, this plane is Mach 2 plus. Now, I don't know about you, but that means 2 times the speed of sound plus. They're not giving you out the high speed on this thing. They're not giving you a lot of information on it. And frankly, we're lucky to have a picture of it. But there it is. The F-47. Now, people remember 47. Well, back in the old days after World War II, the first fighter bomber we had after the B-29 and B-36 was a B-47. It was a jet plane. And if you ever saw the movie Strategic Air Command with Jimmy Stewart, well, that was one of the planes he was flying, if you saw that movie. Legitimate. Well, all right, so now the new fighter is the F-47. And you can see it doesn't have a vertical stabilizers on it. It is sleek. It is smooth. The engines that are powering this thing, well, that's classified. What it can do, that's classified. The radar print that it makes on a radar scope, once again, this whole thing is completely classified. But what you did get a little peek of the new airplane that the Air Force is going to put into action as soon as it gets finished being built by the folks at Boeing. And I can tell you right now, as one who's seen all the airplanes available, you know, we've had the F-22, we've had the F-35. Those are great airplanes, folks. They take off after the F-14s, the F-15s. Those planes, they take out stuff in the sky. They're not one you want to mess with. And now with the 22s and the 35s, those are the newest ones. But this, the F-47 is an entirely 6th generation airplane. This thing will pick it up and put them down. Mach 2, folks, there ain't nothing's going to be chasing that thing. And what can it do in a dogfight? You don't want to know if you're the bad guys. But now you know, new airplane's been introduced. But all I can tell you this, anybody who's flown in the Air Force that understands airplanes, this is one really cool aircraft, and it is now going to be coming online in the United States Air Force. A lot of fun? Oh yeah, baby, a lot of fun. Almost wish I could go back and fly it.